Nice. And I'm on. Empress Eubanks on. There's going to be a little bit of noise, but hopefully you can hear my voice. So check it out. We got Diamanté. This next one is challenging only because, not because how long it is, but because it's a very intricate poem. All right, because you have to use your parts of speech. So a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. I'm a noun, meaning Miss Eubanks is a noun. You're a noun. Whatever your name is, that's a noun. Your name is a noun. Dog, cat, book, all those are nouns. All right, the next thing it says has to have one noun, two adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe a noun. They describe a noun. So you say, beautiful Miss Eubanks. Beautiful is an adjective. Miss Eubanks is a noun. You'd say, nope, that's a participle. You'd say brown skin. Skin is the noun. Brown is the adjective. So an adjectives describe a noun. Red, black, pink, yellow, indigo, all of those adjectives. Here we go. Next one. It says participles. Participles are verbs ending in ing used as an adjective. Example, warming. So that's describing the sun is warming. So it warms you up. Crackling, glowing. So you take a verb, end it in ing, put an ing at the end, and then you make sure it's describing a noun. And that is it. So all you have to do is know those parts of speech, those three parts of speech, and you can do this poem. So my poem is about power. Power is my noun. What can I say about power as far as adjectives? I can say it's, that would be a great participle. So I could say for adjective, greedy. And corruptible. Now remember, I also have to think about my wonderful alliteration and all these other literary devices I have to have. So my next line will have, let's say alliteration. We'll go with alliteration. And it has to be my participle. So it has to be a participle and alliteration. Alliteration is just a repetition of the same letter, the same initial consonant at the beginning. So I'm going to say greedy, corrupting, and the word you said again? Revealing. Revealing. Ooh. Revealing. All right, and again, the Diamanté is how it inspired me. Greedy and corruptible. Revealing, refining, restabilizing. Oh, excuse me, I want you to be able to see it. Restabilizing. So that's first, okay? So again, noun, first line. Second line, adjectives, greedy, corruptible. Next line, participles, verbs ending in ing using as an adjective. So I'm using it as an adjective to describe power. Revealing, power. Refining, power. Restabilizing, power. Again, this is all about how I was inspired by the book to believe in myself. It revealed, it defined, refined, and reestablished. All right, next line has to be friend, companion, stranger, enemy. These are nouns nearly having the opposite meaning of power. So therefore, I would write, let me see, nouns, opposite of power. Not an adjective, jellyfish. What's another fearful animal? Porcupine. Jellyfish, porcupine. Powerless. Stagnant. That means you're not moving. So all these had to be verbs. I mean, all these had to be nouns. Stagnate. All right, so that one's noun. So this is line 1. This is my line 2. This is my line 3. Next is my line 4. Line 4 had to be according to directions. I know this is taking some time, but I'm doing it step by step with you. Line 4 had to be 4. I just did the 4 nouns. And then line 4 had to be the participles, reflecting change. All right. Moving, liking, flaming. Then the next one, it says, has to be 4 nouns. Shh. All right, next one, adjectives. So now these adjectives are supposed to be, again, antonym to the first word. Oh no, antonym to the first is the noun. So the next one, oh, excuse me. The next one is the 2 adjectives, 2 more adjectives about this particular concept of moving, liking, flaming. So I'm trying to do, so I have the simile, I have the metaphor, I have the alliteration, I need a rhyme. That's the one that's missing. All right, it's my last one. Also stanzas, so I'm going to separate my last 2 lines. And flaming, and these have to be 2 adjectives. Transforming. Transforming and rebelling. Oh, actually, I should change that to transformative and rebellious, because I think it had to be an adjective instead. And then the last one is opposite of power. Impotent. That's powerless. And that's it. Next, I need to have a symbol, and then I need to label all my literary devices. My line 4, 5, 6. This is my second stanza. Stanza 1, stanza 2. Jellyfish is my metaphor. This is my alliteration. Jellyfish, metaphor. So I'm writing the word footnote. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you got 1,